Find or read reviews that people are talking of TEMPWARE electric garage heater, 5000 watt. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose TEMPWARE electric garage heater, 5000 watt. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Adjustable angle and 3 heat settings. This garage heater has adjustable louvers and variable mounting angle to direct the air output. Its maximum BTUs of 17,060 is powerful enough to heat a large area up to 592 square feet. Power ranges from low to high, 3000 watts, 4000 watts, and 5000 watts to meet your different needs. Space-saving design. This is an ideal compact garage heater with almost industrial strength power. It can be stably placed on the ground or mounted on a wall or ceiling, which is very suitable for factories, workshops, and warehouses to save precious space. Safe and sturdy structure. Our electric garage heater is made of heavy-duty steel material, which is very strong and durable, and has a long service life. In addition, the heater for workshop is ETL certified to ensure your safe use. Thermostat and overheat protection. Our garage heater is equipped with a built-in thermostat. You can adjust the thermostat to suit your needs and preferences, from 45 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And a built-in sensor switches the device off automatically if it overheats. Hardwired installation. You will need an electrician to do this safely. The garage heater must be grounded and hardwired to a properly sized current protection circuit breaker in accordance with the U.S. National Electric Code and local codes. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.